Pallavi, you can
So,
continue the meeting.
So let's start with our meeting. So I would like to invite our first speaker to present his chapter today. The speaker is Hira Lal. Everybody please put your hands together and welcome Hira on stage. Welcome Hira.
Thank you, Pallavi. Very good morning to all of you joining from United States of America, and warm good evening to all of you joining from India. Today, I have been assigned a very interesting chapter, how to unlock your personality. Just wait for a minute. Sorry for interruption. Before briefing this chapter, I would like to ask two questions from all you guys. First one is, how will you define personality? And second, what is the difference between good personality and bad personality, or we can say poor personality? Anyone can answer, please. What?
Guys, go ahead and answer his question, whatever he has asked.
Personality. I'll give a little thought on that. It's the way that we perceive a person as coming off to us in the world, and a good personality is a positive perception of that person, and a poor personality is something where, you know, when they present themselves, it's a negative. It gives you a negative or a detrimental reaction.
Right, Jack. Truly said. In this chapter, this has been defined in very brief manner. I would like to include some of those points. Firstly, I would like to define personality. Personality is something which is magnetic and very mysterious. It is easy to recognize, but difficult to define. Personality is free and full expression of your real self. It is very attractive within everyone. It has a powerful impact and influence upon other people. Coming to good personality, I will take an example of Ajay. If we say that Ajay having a good personality, that means Ajay has freed and released the creative potential within him. He has been able to express his real self. If you talk about poor personality, it means a person who doesn't express himself, who is afraid to express himself, who has locked himself within an inner prison. So here one question arises: how can we unlock this? How can we unlock our personality? A few points are there. I would like to tell you one by one. First point is, be yourself. Whenever you are going to somewhere where there are people more than 2 or 10 or 100 or thousands, be yourself. Try to speak in such a manner that you are speaking from your internal part of your life, internal part of your body. Your feelings should be come out, and the audience should feel that yes, this person is very much real. Second point I would like to add: never think that if I will do this, it will be wrong. Just start your action, and if needed, then correct it. Third point, don't overreact to the negative criticism. People will talk about a lot when you start new thing. Take all those parts away and keep going ahead. Fourth point, you need to be more self-conscious. Fifth point, stop criticizing yourself. Sixth point, make a habit of speaking louder than usual. What is the benefit of speaking louder than usual? Can anyone tell me? I'm not saying that you should speak very
It
loud.
will give
Yes, please.
You will get more attention,
Yeah,
more
yeah,
attention.
true.
and that will give
It
you
will-
a lot of confidence actually.
Yeah. It is the matter. It will boost your confidence. When you speak loudly, it will boost your
Time is
confidence.
over. Please wrap your points.
Yeah. I will wrap in 30 seconds. So these are the points we should unlock our personality. One more thing I would like to add in this, that never forget to compliment at least 3% per day who are surrounding you. If you are liking somebody's doing, praise her or him, tell them how you like his doings or her doings. So lastly, I would like to conclude with one point. If you are married, do not forget to praise your spouse if he or she cooked delicious food for you. Also, at least twice in a day, tell him or her, I love you. Thank you, guys.
Good lesson for Sakti and Zach, right?
And what if, Hira, if the person is not cooking delicious food?
No, I think everyone is cooking delicious food.
Go ahead.
Just kidding.
Carry on.
Okay, so